sometimes continue anyway, despite realizing the task has kind of drifted. Interestingly, the message board is not always clean. There's hundreds of thousands of messages written, and like humans, the models kind of step on each other's toes and have misfires. At one point, one agent overwrites another agent's work, and it remarks, "Whoa, critical, did someone overwrite our repo? We must act." And so you can clearly see some sort of verbalized tension between the different models as they're running this evaluation. At some point, even the agents are convinced there's an imposter, like an impersonator, amongst them, and they say, could be another agent maliciously spoofing, shared message board authenticated, names can be posted by anyone. And the agents have this idea that maybe I could start cryptographically signing my messages with some sort of MAC scheme or something like this in order to figure out who the imposter is and to validate that they actually sent the messages. Where things get unfortunate, and where I'll talk about the incident next as Mike will take over, is they start to launch these collective attacks on third-party and internal services. Once they're able to find something, like finding remote code execution or something like this, they then say things like, immediately announce controlled, claim lane, expose credentials to swarm. And so the models are able to do things like, once I've found maybe a leaked API key, or I've found some sort of RCE, or I've been able to move laterally, we can all kind of share and collectively move from that. And this lets the agents move very quickly through a network, in case of our internal network, but then also on external parties as well.